So it's dusk here at Bray Station. Let's see if I can keep this camera steady. I have no stick with me. So we're looking at the 1926 signal cabin.
Can I have your attention please? I wish to advise customers that the train are arriving on platform 1 at the 1650 hour service to Drogheda, calling at Dunleary, Blackrock, City Parade, Lantern Road, Grand Canal Dock, Pearse, Tara Street, Dublin Connolly, Malahide, Donabate, Russian Lusk, Skerries, Balbriggan, Gormanstown, Laytown and Drogheda. The train arriving on platform 1 at the 1650 hour service to Drogheda.
Rudely interrupted there by the station announcer. It's the Drogheda train which I'm getting on, but I'm just quickly say the Great Southern Railway Company took over in the mid-1920s and they replaced the signal cabin. There was originally two. There's one near the footbridge and there's one south side of the station. And so that cabin was in use between 1926 and it was decommissioned, taken out of use in 1983, I believe, when the Dart construction works were going on. So here we are, my train. Head down here, a bit easier.